Hi, this is Steve Wozniak. I'm very pleased to be able to address all of you and message you about this. I'm very much into creativity. I think of myself as a creative person. And, with 3DCrystal, you get to take your own picture and have it made into a very intriguing shape. I like to hang around interesting people, makers of the world that are doing things I didn't expect were out there and were done. So 3DCrystal just attracts me so much. It's the sort of things other people don't have, and it's truly your own. I'm going to be taking more and more advantage of this. So keep up the hard work, believe in what you're doing, realize that you are making a better difference in this world.
Ooh, baby, click on 3DCrystal.com.